Happy holidays to all of you. I am wanting to let you know my top 3 or 4 gifts that I would love to get or love to give from Morrocco Method. I think the first one, if you're looking for someone, a gift for someone that maybe isn't trying to renew their hair, I would get them the Euro oil. You can do so many things with that. It's so nice. It feels good on your hands and your elbows when they're dry. You can put it on your face at night after you wash it. You can put a little bit on the ends of your hair if they're dry. It's just great. I've just really enjoyed using that. It smells nice. It feels good. It's not too greasy. It just feels good. If they are looking to improve their hair, I'd just get them all of it. I really would. I would just get them all the shampoos, all the conditioners, the brush, and the lunar hair cutting kit, and some henna, and the mask. I would just get them all of it because it's all awesome. If that's a little bit out of your budget, I think I would start with the boar bristle brush. That is really a nice brush, and it's a very nice gift. You could pair the brush with a rubber massager and show them about the ritual of brushing your hair, massaging your scalp twice a day. You can show them that nice video that Mr. Morrocco made about showing someone how to brush their hair. And you could pair that with the Euro oil. If you wanted to do something kind of like a spa or something, I think I might give the mask and the Euro oil. Those are such nice things. A lot of times I will oil my hair at night, and then the next morning I will put the mask in and leave it for an hour or something, and it just makes my hair feel really good, and I love the texture of it. So I don't think you could go wrong with any of Morrocco Method's products. They are just very finely made products, and they work really wonders with, at least for my hair, it's been great. So I hope you have a really wonderful holiday with your friends and family, and I hope this has helped you with your gift list a little bit. Thanks for listening.